Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, this video is just going to be me explaining stuff. So, I started my channel a couple of days ago. Week, actually, but like, I started a couple weeks ago, and I had no intention to really get really far or really do anything big. I just wanted to kind of have fun, show my friends that I could actually post, I guess. So, I made this. I'm growing. I got like 20-ish subs right now. That's enough for me. Like, it's not huge, but it's enough. But now, so I don't get to play video games during any school days, but any, like, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I can post. So I'm gonna try for a consistent upload schedule for all those days, pretty much. And starting that off probably tomorrow, I'll have my first Minecraft series starting up. I'm gonna do one world that's, I'm debating if it's gonna be hardcore or not, because if I die, then the whole thing is gonna end, and then that would kind of ruin the whole point of the series. But so I'm gonna make a series. I will do pretty much every suggestion I get in my comments. So if you want to see something done in that world, just hit me up. I will make it happen. And yeah, so in that world, I'm going to be going for completing every single achievement. Not for like a world record time. Like, I'm just going to be like messing around in the world, but at any time I could just beat the Ender Dragon and be happy, get that achievement. So it's not going to be like, oh, he's going to be able to do this within an hour. No, this is going to be a 50+ series episode series. Yeah. So if I can manage to do that, I'll be pretty happy. But if my channel can start growing from that, I'll be even happier. So, like if you agree, but I am gonna drop some bangers, because you probably won't be liking it yet, because like, I haven't dropped any bangers. I know. But once I get my vlogs going, then this channel is gonna be like insane, like insano mode, like full on, just insane. Holy crap. Okay then. But that series is gonna be pretty lit. My vlogs, they're gonna be pretty lit. I already got some stuff going. You guys want to see me post some kind of different content? Like, I'm probably gonna be doing like a Halloween vlog. I could like do a thingy on this world. I could just do a lot of stuff. But starting probably tomorrow. I'm hoping tomorrow, if I get enough time, because I do have some things going on tomorrow. But I will be working on my thingy, and once that's done, yeah, then hopefully this channel just skyrockets. That's what I'm really going for. If this thing can get, like, I don't need a lot, but like, if we could just get like a couple likes on this, that would be pretty lit. And if you guys enjoy the series that I'm gonna do, then please like. If you enjoy any of the content I make, just like the videos. Make sure that everything is just what you want to be seeing. If you don't like it, tell me. I'll make new content. You want to see me play like some Fortnite or Apex? I can make it happen. That's pretty much it. I did make this world by myself too, if you guys were wondering that. But yeah, it's pretty nice. But if you want to see me do this, we gotta make this explode. Make this channel go insano mode. Let's see it happen. Peace out.